Hi everyone. So let's start discussing about the button today. So in activity in XML, I have created one text view. This is one text view, and I have created one more button. This is the button, and the button ID is a toggle button. So now we're going to main activity. We're going to start creating an object reference for the text view. So I will first I'll create text view with a variable in text view is equal to find view by ID with the r.id dot the name what we given for the text view. So here we didn't give any name for the text view, so I'm going to start giving a text name for the text view. So android colon id equal to, so in the at the rate I plus id, so text view. So we have given the name for the text view, so I'm just copying that one and going here and pasting in this text view. So now we have, so id dot text view. So we have given a reference to this text view. So id dot contain the creation of the text view. So if I go here we have given id text view color. Maybe I'll just build it once and see whether it is taking or not. Yeah, it is taken. So it was not compiled properly, and I'm going to create one button equal to find view by id dot id dot toggle button. So what name I have given here is toggle, so I will just change to button. Same thing, I'll go here and rename it button. So this is, you can remove, there is some comparison problem in my studio. So next, we know how in previous sessions I have shared about the text view and all. Now currently we'll be talking about the button, right? So uh, we can change the button. First we'll see whether the button color can be changed. So take the button dot set text color. So we can take the color resources. So we're going to change the button color to blue. So color dot parse color. Maybe we can take blue. So now I'll just run it to see whether we can able to see the output. So now you can see the button color was changed to blue, and sorry, text color I have done. So button color I have will do now. Button dot set background color maybe color dot green. So let's see what result we'll get here. Now you can see the color was changed to green and the text color was changed to blue. And now we'll create one button listener to see the click action on click listener. So new view dot on click listener, it will implement the on click method. So now we'll take example like, so once you click the button color and everything, button color and text has to change. So now I'll just take in the above methods and copy these things and paste here, and I'll change color to white, and here the text color I will change to black. Now I will run this code. You can see the initially we have given the color of the uh, button is green and the text of the color is blue, and when you click this, now change it to the color of the background color is white, and the white is changed, and the color of the text is will be black, so it's black it came. So this is all about the button. So button implementation, button on click listen and all. So So next we will talk about the uh, check. So maybe you can take the checkbox. So this checkbox mostly about to it's like a selection kind of thing. So when I run this code with enabling the checkbox, we can see a checkbox came here. So this is a checkbox. It looks like when you click on this square thing, it will come selected. When you click here, it will unselect. So now we have given a checkbox name as checkbox 4. So we'll create an object reference for the checkbox equal to find v by id r dot id dot checkbox 4, the name what we given for the checkbox. So now we can see a checkbox is there. uh, if you want to see whether checkbox is selected or not, so here I'm going to get the checkbox is checked or not, so that we can understand whether it is checked or not. Maybe I'll create a toast. Sorry, I'll create a toast to show whether the value of the checkbox. So here I'm going to print the checkbox is um, maybe I'll add a positive to accept a string checkbox is written a true or false is a boolean variable. So now we can see where initially we don't have any, when you click it is a false. Now when you click here now it became false. When you click on the checkbox it will become a true. When you click button, so it will become a true. So we are reading the checkbox value whether it is checked or not, and we'll displaying on the as a toast. So I think you guys understand the checkbox functionality. So now we'll go with respect to the toggle button. So toggle button also it is to represent the text and on off, it's like an on off button only, toggle button. So when I run this code, you can see here's the toggle button. Here you can see when it is off we have given when it is off it has to show off text. When it is on it has to show on text. So this is the information we have given as a default value. If you can change if you want off and on text also. So now I'm going to create a reference for the toggle button. So here is the toggle button. So toggle button equal to find v by id dot id dot. So I think we didn't give the name. Yeah, we have given the toggle button too. Now even this also we can able to fetch the information about the toggle button, that whether the toggle button is checked or not. So we can see toggle button dot get text. So you can understand whether the toggle button was checked or not. I'm just running this code to print the toggle button and checkbox together when you click on this button. So initially this checkbox is not clicked, so it is in off state, and even this but toggle button also in off state. So when I click button, it will say off and false. So suppose if I click the checkbox here and if I click the button, it will say off and true because checkbox is true. Same way if I click here, it is becoming on, and when I click button, you can see on and true. So the toggle button is on and the checkbox is true. I think next we'll discuss about the switch. So switch is kind of a like on and off is almost it's also same like on and off. So now we can I just run to show how it looks the switch. So you can see the switch looks like this. So it will be like the on and off button. Here I'm going to create a new instance for the switch to find view by id dot id dot switch sample switch. So sample says, so I'm going to take this switch and I'm going to print a switch value also here with switch dot. I'm going to type get the value of switch dot get text. And also if you want to know the status of this switch, maybe you can get from switch dot is checked. So you can able to find the whether it is you got or not. So maybe I'll differentiate switch checkbox. Here make a toggle button. Now if I run the code, I can able to see the whether it is now you can see toggle button off, checkbox is false, which is sorry, switch is false. So now if I on the switch and if I check the value, the switch will be true. And if I on this value and if I get button, checkbox toggle button will be on. And if I do click and if I do submit, the checkbox will be true. So this is all about this buttons checkbox switch. So maybe I missed one thing, like we can also change you can also set the um, drawable for the um, button. So it looked like here this. So maybe I'll comment this. I will. Oh no, I will do here. So after clicking this, I want to change the background of the drawable button. So button dot set background. Now we can do the context compact dot get drawable. Here you can give the context of the class and the drawable what you're going to show in the button dot. So you can have button shape round. I'm going to take button shape round. So so if I run this example, so when I click on button, I can see the button shape was changed to round. So this was given in the drawable. So I have created some drawable shapes in this example. Maybe I'll share this project in the description so that you can able to take the example for this. Yeah. If you like in everything, if you like this information, please try to subscribe and help us to give more information on this. Thanks. Thank you, Ron.